Hi and welcome to this new video in which I will show you how to flash the Shelly 2.5 with tasmota. For that we are going to need a couple of things. At first I have the GitHub page of the tasmota with the issue about the Shelly 2.5. And I have the Shelly 2.5 configuration over here for the GPIO ports. One issue you will run into when trying to flash the Shelly 2.5 is that the provided GPIO headers are too small for your DuPont wires. So I came up with a little hack, and I can show you that with a couple of pictures. I got a resistor and cut off the leads of that resistor, and I put them into my DuPont female to female wires, and the resistor ends do fit into the Shelly 2.5 GPIO breakout. So that way we can flash the Shelly 2.5. Remember to connect your GPIO 0 to ground, and remember that RX of the Shelly goes to TX on your FTDI breakout, and RX of your FTDI breakout goes to TX on the Shelly 2.5. If you have connected everything, we are going to need our flash ESP8266. Select the correct COM port and flash your firmware, which is in my case sonoff.bin, and it will flash. Alright, now that the flashing is complete, we are going to use Termite, which I already used in multiple previous videos, to put in our Wi-Fi credentials, which I also already provided a couple of videos ago, and which I will link. I will link all of this in the description, but you can send a backlog command to fill in your Wi-Fi SSID and passwords, so you won't have to do the whole AP thing, connect with your phone and then put in your Wi-Fi password. So I will be right back when I put in mine. Alright, when you have flashed your Shelly and put in your Wi-Fi credentials and figured out your IP address of your Shelly, then you go to the configuration page and you configure it like this one, which says GPIO 4 is relay 1, GPIO 5 is switch 1N, GPIO 13 is switch 2N, and GPIO 15 is relay 2. Which you can also find over here in the base schematic, and over here the correction for the 2.5 version. Over here you can also see other information if you want to, well, tinker with it a little bit. And if you have done everything correctly, you will see this, and the switches on your Shelly will work like normal. So that's how you flash a Shelly 2.5 with tasmota. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope to see you next time.